Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got the Ace Hardware Black Friday tool haul. So I went to Ace Hardware and got my my tools on special from Ace Hardware. We're gonna be doing a quick video, a quick review on everything I got. That way I don't bore you guys, and if you guys like something, you guys always go to Ace Hardware and pick them up. So don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon. It's this Stanley screwdrivers. Basically there's 6 screwdrivers here. There's 4 flathead and 2 Phillips. I had another set of these before. I had a long time already with this this other set, so they are pretty good actually. I had them for about, maybe I would say about 8 years, 8 or 9 years already. So I saw these on special for $2.99 at Ace Hardware, so I just decided to get them. Mine as well. That's the first item I got. And then I got the pliers. I got the Stanley pliers. There's 2 pieces. Let's open it up. That's the back. So I guess Stanley is the owner of Black & Decker, or not Black & Decker, DeWalt. Doesn't say anything about DeWalt. Oh yeah, Black & Decker Inc. So Stanley and Black & Decker is the same company, and I guess DeWalt too. So let's open these up and just look at them. This one's a 6-inch 150mm long nose pliers. And this one is a 6-inch 150mm slip joints. The reason why I got these pliers and these tools is because I want to do like a little travel bag, you know, a little a tool bag for the car, you know, in case you break down or something like that, or if I have to go to the junkyard and just pretty much, you know. But yeah, it's more for if I break down or anything, I'll have these tools, and they're fairly cheap, so, and they're on special on Black Friday. So if you see anything that you like, you can always go to your Ace Hardware and buy yourself one of these sets. Anyways, these seem pretty good. I mean, they seem to be okay. They're pretty much $1.50 each. So I mean, they're not the greatest, but they are a name brand, which is Stanley. Stanley is a fairly good brand. So, I mean, they're okay. A lot of oil from the factory there. These are a little bit hard there, just break in with time. But yeah, these are okay. I mean, they're not your high quality tools, obviously, because they are $3. You know, they're $3 on sale. So, same thing with these. These are not your top quality screwdrivers. They're just you know, just cheap tools. Alright, the next item we got, I'll just set them right there, is the Craftsman combination wrench set. 7-piece forged tough alloy steel, heat treated and tempered for strength and uniform hardness. nickel plated for rust resistant and easy cleaning. So that's what this is, and that is the back. 12 and there grabs faster and more angles. Nickel plated for the tough alloy. Okay, and it does come with the pouch, so that's what I liked about it. Let's look at it here. As you can see, it does come with a little nice pouch there. You can put this on your belt if you got tools, or hang it somewhere. These are the they're not the greatest. Obviously, it's not Craftsman's better tool. You can tell that this is not. This is brushed. It's not really chrome finish, so I mean they're okay for a starter set, or for these were $9. Yeah, $9.99. So just under $10. I would definitely recommend it for somebody that doesn't have any tools and just want some tools you can throw in your truck or for emergencies. Yeah, I'll just leave it like this. I'll set it up here so you guys get to see it. The next tool I have, or I got, is this Craftsman socket wrench set. This was $10. So what grabbed my attention was this ratchet. This ratchet alone cost probably $10 or even more than this. So it is a Craftsman set. This is metric. That is the part number right there, which is 934554. It's a 10 piece. It's a 3/8 drive and a 6-point socket set. It says include standard sockets. Wait. Why does it say standard? This is metric, so it shouldn't say standard. Anyways, it includes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 in 3/8 drive. Quick release ratchet. So security device included. Oh, that's just for the store. Lifetime warranty, obviously by Craftsman. It does come with a nice case here. It says chrome, not for impact use. Okay, that is the ratchet, the little set. The ratchet itself, then again, it's not your best one. It is a Craftsman though. That is the model number 44811. It's an AC, I guess. So sounds pretty good. It's one of the Craftsman's lower ratchets. So I know my brother, he's a hardcore Craftsman guy. He does have some nice Craftsman ratchets. You can tell by the thickness of the handle. They're like this thick. They're oval shaped too. So those are high quality ratchets there. But yeah, these are okay. This will do the job, and pretty much it's Craftsman, so it's guaranteed for life. So you know it's gonna be somewhat good. The sockets, these are nice. It looks like chrome plated there. It says Craftsman. And that is the inside. Obviously it's nice machined. a good little set for just under $10. This was $9.99, $9.99, and these are on sale for $2.99. $2.99. You need the Ace rewards card to get the set price. The next item I got is this tool bag. It's a two-piece tool. Well, it's not two-piece. It's called Craftsman tool bag combo. So it does come with the two of them, a smaller one and a big one. It says 13 and an 18-inch wide opening design to clearly find tools and parts. Interior storage compartments. 3 and 3 regular exterior pockets. 3 mesh and 2 regular exterior pockets. Reinforced material for ultimate durability. So these are pretty heavy. I mean, they look pretty. It's the back. Wide opening design to clearly find tools and same. That's the same stuff with them. It says product distributed in the United States by Sears Brands Management Corporation, Hoffman States, Illinois. Made in China. So let's open these up. Alright, here's the small one. Obviously, it's a thick material here. It's has reinforcements there for the handle. Looks like it's sewed pretty well. So what does it say here? These are the external pockets they were talking about. And these are the mesh. Craftsman. It's a nice little case here. Alright, let's look at the big one here. Same thing. There's a lot of room on this one, so you can fit just about anything on this one. You're gonna use it for your drills. Put your DeWalt stuff in here. Nice side pockets there for accessories and stuff, batteries and stuff like that. It does have a hard bottom, so it'll keep the shape. Anyways, well, this was my quick video for this tool haul from Ace Hardware on Black Friday, or Black Friday specials they got. Alright, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon for more tool reviews, more tool hauls, Black Friday deals. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.